Today's air gunning video is brought to you from the studio of Papa T Adventures. We hope you enjoy. Good morning, family. Welcome back to Papa T Adventures. Here with a P rifle from Pinty, and we're getting ready to try a new little challenge. So go ahead and take you on downrange while we talk about it. So we're going to be shooting at some spent CO2 cartridges. We got them put into a little board thing here to shoot at them. See how this goes. Take our shots. And then maybe we'll take an extra, but we have 5 of them there. Take our shots real quick. See if we can hit all 5. And call it a day. Thought this would be a fun little challenge. Try and shoot some spent CO2 carts. See how the P rifle does with it. Starting with the one on the left. Oh, I hit it. That's kind of what I was afraid of. That it would just knock them down. Let's take a look real quick. One out. There it is. You can see we hit right at the top. Oh, 4 more to go. Didn't puncture it. Carts are pretty strong. Four more tries. Two. 3. Those didn't pop out. Guess I got them seated pretty well. We are hitting them though. That one got the side. That one's a pretty solid hit. Go for 4 and 5 here. Maybe it'll sit better that way. 4 and 5. And then maybe we'll do a bonus shot at the end. We'll see. Helps if I cock it first, apparently. Yeah, that was 5. I thought it was fun. We'll do a bonus shot. Get everything set up. And we'll take one more shot at 25 yards. We'll do this in slow-mo though for you. Guys, let you get a slow motion adventure. There are the dents on those. Turn them so the dents are hidden, eh? Except that one. That dent's visible. Alright. Stand by while we set up. We'll do a slow motion